So we are through security and we are in the waiting area waiting to board. Should be boarding soon. Stand by. One of our favorite parts, walking up the gangway. Let's board that NCL Prima. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
So we boarded right by the Belvedere Bar and Cagney's Steakhouse. So we are on deck 6. We'll give you more of a ship tour later, but this is boarding.
Yes, let's go dump these bags. Let's go straight forward so we can go and dump these bags. We are in the art gallery. Woo, okay. It's very clean, very crisp feeling. Let's take a look at the balcony. Beautiful furniture, really nice. And these chairs recline. What do you think overall, Bri? Overall, what do you think of the cabin? First impression, because we just got here.
First impression is it's pretty much a standard balcony. Pretty much a standard balcony cabin. And they say the room size is a little bit larger. I don't think it feels that much larger than any other ship I've ever been on. The bathroom does feel a little bit larger.
I thought the bathroom felt larger.
The bathroom does feel larger, and it looks like there is...
You know, there's some nice space to walk between here. I know in the past, especially when the bed is near the balcony, sometimes it's literally like crawling between. So there might be a few extra inches here. And you know, it is. It's pretty spacious in here. I'll give you. It's... We're not talking like anything major. And this is just a standard balcony. So, you know, overall, I'm going to give this room a rating. NCL Prima, room 9808, standard balcony. Stay tuned. We got a lot more coming to you. We're just dropping off our bags now and going to go out and explore a bit.
This is deck 8 of the NCL Prima, and this is the whiskey bar. Deck 7, you also have guest services. I feel like we've been here before. All right, we are here at the whiskey bar on the NCL Prima again. We still have not left port. We are still in Galveston. But on every ship, you find your favorite spot. It doesn't take long to find it, and I think we found our favorite spot. So we are here at the whiskey bar to grab one last drink before we get ready for dinner. Tonight we
probably
have.
Gonna carry it with us to get ready for dinner.
Oh no, we're definitely
to be honest,
carrying with it because what do we have tonight?
So, well, hold on. First of all, we were just listening to Kelly Clarkson. Kelly Clarkson is on the sailing. She's doing a concert, and she's phenomenal. She's awesome. Really, really cool. That was awesome. We skipped out just a couple minutes early to grab a drink, go back to our room, shoot this for you guys real quick. We're gonna get dressed for dinner because we do have an awesome dinner tonight.
Gotta go put my face on.
What's the name of the restaurant we're eating at tonight?
Palomar. We're eating at Palomar, which is a Mediterranean themed restaurant.
And it looks amazing, guys. I can't wait to bring it to you.
Julie's gonna love it, and I'm gonna try to find something that's not seafood. So
he's the picky one. I'm the foodie.
But one last drink here at the whiskey bar, and we will see you next at dinner tonight.
Cheers.
Not scary, right?
No.
So a little dark here, but we are on the NCL Prima. We just had our dinner and we're walking around Oceanwalk Boulevard, and we get to the front part of the ship here. Now, if you have seen this on any of the vlogs or anything else out there, the glass walkway broke, and I'm just going to give you a little view of this here. So if you look here, it's temporarily closed, and we're talking a brand new ship. Like, maybe we could have bought some better glass. I don't know, but like, definitely not something that you want to break. So I'm certain they'll fix it. Can you imagine being the person walking on that thing when it cracked a little bit? A little bit unnerving. So everything else has been good so far here on the Prima. Broken glass over the water. Yeah, a little neat. All right, let's go see what else we can find. Some wonderful artwork on this ship. We just had a nice dinner at Palomar. And we're checking out some of the artwork on Ocean Boardwalk. And as we come back towards after the ship, we find the landing zone for the dry slides, which start and just like every good slide and every good ride, it ends with a bar. So we find the local inside there. Some lovely water features right here. And a nice infinity hot tub. Right over the edge of the ship. Absolutely beautiful, especially at night. Alright, well, we are up here on deck 17 of the NCL Prima. It is almost 11:45 at night, and we are finally sailing away from Galveston. So we left kind of late tonight. Maybe, I guess Kelly Clarkson wanted to hang out with us a little bit longer, but we were finally on our way down to Mexico.
Beautiful night. We had a great night. We had a great time. We had a great dinner. We had great snacks. We went roaming the ship. What a great night.
It's been fantastic. We've had some great conversations, met some new friends, and this is what cruising is about. So we're glad we're on our way. Glad we're on this great brand new ship from NCL. We can't wait to get more video for you tomorrow. But I think right now, maybe we'll have one more nightcap, and I think it might be time to get a little rest. So
I'm tired.
Subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, hit that like button, and make sure that you follow us along on our trip on the NCL Prima, because this is a great new ship and you don't want to miss it, and you're going to want to book this one with the HowWeCruise channel. So stay tuned, and we will see you on the seas.
See you on the seas.
Agarra mi contigo, das contigo, contigo para contigo una noche.